This week's episode of Fly Rod Chronicles is all about getting women involved in fly fishing. We head over to North Marion High School to meet up with Ashley Anderson and Julie Barr from the West Virginia DNR to give a presentation on their initiative, Becoming an Outdoor Woman. After that, we let the kids cast the fly rod to win some prizes. Following the presentation, we take West Virginia Educator of the Year, Superintendent Dr. Donna Heston, Principal Kristen Duvall, as well as current Miss West Virginia, Elizabeth Lynch, to stay the night at Canaan Valley State Park. The next morning, it's nothing but business as these women are determined to catch their first fish on a fly rod. Stick around, this show is full of good food, good drinks, amazing people, and tons of fish.